Alright, today on William's Adventures, I have literally spent all day doing this, and it's not perfect by any long shot, but it's the best I could do because when sewing leather, it tends to slide at an angle when you're sewing it, and it's very difficult to get it straight again. But I'm doing the best I can, and so it's a learning experience. So I'm going to flip the camera around and show you what I got going on. Alright, so as I've mentioned before, I use this rawhide lace I got from Tandy Leather. And I sewed these, this is actual leather, but these leather strips together, as you can see here. But like I was mentioning, they tend to go at an angle, even though I sewed them straight, just due to the nature of how I sewed it. And I don't know how to fix that. So what I did was I came down here in the shop and I took some E6000 and some Gorilla Super Glue, and I glued like right here along this edge. I glued there. I had glued several spots in between the laces here so I could try to keep this lacing as straight as possible. I mean, it's very difficult because this part really twisted. And it's not perfect. I mean, there's some minor little gaps right there, but it is drying up. Yeah, you can really see the twist right here. But there's not much I can do about it. If you guys know a better way of doing something like this, let me know, but I did the best I could. So I'm going to let this dry for a while. I might re-glue it depending on how well this glue right here sets up. But otherwise, this project is probably done. So probably the next video in this series is me actually delivering it to the client and getting her, well, their reaction. Because I got to now make up a box to transport it in. So that'll be the next thing. And I got very few days to do this, and it's already like 7:30 at night when I'm finished shooting this video. But this is real leather. This is real rawhide. It's not as dark as the actual picture, but it's more realistic. Alright, so let's go on an adventure and create something new.